Mix coffee with alcohol and thank me. It's amazing. To start our tip today, in a container, I will add 2 tablespoons of soluble coffee. I'm sure you will be surprised by the result of this tip. Do it in your home and come back here to tell me what you think. To help dilute the coffee, I will add 100 milliliters of water. Let's mix all the ingredients very well. Next, we will add 200 milliliters of alcohol. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Dara Venturini from England. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Finally, the last ingredient I will use is the clove. You can use the amount you prefer. This part is to taste. The cloves, besides bringing a great aroma in all places, also acts perfectly, avoiding the presence of flies and mosquitoes. Tell me if you've ever used coffee and alcohol to clean your house. I'd love to know. Let's transfer our mixture into a spray bottle. I will use a funnel to prevent our product from falling out of the container. I'm sure you will be so surprised by the result of this tip that you will want to use it often in your home. I use it myself almost every day. It is much more efficient than any cleaning products sold in conventional markets. It's already part of my routine, and I'm sure you'll join yours. Now just add some of our mixture on top of the surface you want to clean. It is perfect to apply in the kitchen, thanks to the carnations we add in its composition. This product can dissipate the presence of insects and flies. We can also use in the bathroom. Look how versatile this tip is. You will never again need to spend money on those expensive products to keep your home clean and fragrant. Even your friends will ask you to teach. So surprising that it is the end result. Just a light brushing to leave any surface clean and shiny. Even I was surprised the first time I used it. With a few everyday products, we can make a powerful and very efficient mixture for cleaning. Tell me if you have any tricks to assist in cleaning house. I'd love to know. I'm sure you'll be able to get the same results as I did using this trick. This trick is very easy and quick to do. Thank you for watching so far. See you in the next video. Bye.